So I'm hoping all the configurations related to the FI side is clear in this server.
Yes.
So? So required master data like customer vendor master data is there.
Yes, I have two company code in one customer master data, vendor master data, even integration is there. But I didn't do the controlling. No asset accounting.
Okay, just type AS03. Go to drill down. Not company code. Select drill down asset.
Okay.
Cancel it. Select asset. Enter, press enter. Don't feel anything. So show me the company code. Say 1750.
1750. Okay.
So under 1750, asset class is 1. Enter. Okay. So the asset class is T100 and the asset is building. One building asset is created over here. Okay. So when we are doing the settlement, now we will take the reference of company code 1750. Or else, if you are having your own company code, so we'll make the one AUC and one fixed asset of the building under any asset class.
I will do it tonight. I do not have asset right now with any company code, my company code, but I will do it tonight.
Okay, better do the all configuration, like that is not required actually, but it will be better if you do all kind of configuration like the depreciation area and depreciation rule and all. So assign the depreciation method along with the depreciation area and all. Assign that. So we will do that.
Okay, sure.
Fine. So we'll do the all testing like asset settlement and all. Type one more T code, AIAB. AIAB.
Execute.
Enter, execute it.
So they do not have any asset under constructions.
Because we are selecting asset, not AUC. This is fixed asset, not AUC. So it is not possible for fixed asset.
So
we need to select AUC. Select any. Okay, let it be. This is the final settlement part. I'm just checking all the data is here or not.
Okay, sure. I'm going to prepare. I'm going to prepare data tonight or tomorrow into 1 or 2 days.
Okay. In the part of the execution phase now, we need that data. So we'll run only the end-to-end cycle now. If you post anything against our WBS element. So from the FI side, I'm hoping that you will complete all the configuration and the data will be there so that we can test one scenario. Okay.
Okay, sure.
So from the starting point of view, we'll start with the project coding mask. The first part is project coding mask. Okay. So coding mask, why you use coding mask? Coding mask is nothing but it is the identification number of the project. It is used for the sequencing and dividing the project structure. Okay. So creating the project structure, coding mask play a very important role. So as you show, as I explained in earlier classes, for the users of coding mask, with the help of the coding mask, we can assign the identification number to the WBS elements and to the sub WBS elements. Okay. So for the coding mask, we have some rules. So what is the rules? Note down that rules.
Okay. Yes, go ahead.
First of all, we need to define the special characters. So write down the point a special character. And in front of this special character, just write down the T code OPSK.
Okay.
OPSK.
Okay, yes, next.
Okay, then put down OPSKT code over here. See, here PL, you can see over there PL. PL is nothing but the starting number of the coding mask. Parallelly, do one thing, type OPSJ, open another tab.
Yeah, just a second. Let me note it down as well. Yes, what do you want me to start?
Sorry?
Yes, I started new session.
And better now, if you need, like if you are noted down it on the pages. So my suggestion is, if you are comfortable now, make the notes on the Excel sheet. Just because over there you can assign the screenshot as well.
Okay, okay, sure.
If you are comfortable, if you are comfortable
Yeah, I'm
with the pen
comfortable.
or papers. If you are comfortable with the pen or paper, it's your choice. Or else my suggestion is make a notes on Excel so that you can attach the screenshot with the details. It will take little time, but it is more conventional for you.
Yes, I got your point.
We need to change the screen every time now. So it will little complicated for you, but it is more beneficial just because all the description is with the screenshot. So whenever you open that Excel now, you will get a clear idea.
Okay, sure.
Okay. So here note down few points related to the special character. What is the use of this special character, and what is the drawback of this special characters? What is the
Okay,
limitations? So the first
okay.
limitation is, so for the first limitation, or you can say the first prerequisite of the special character, we have to define only 24 characters, including all the symbols like special symbol, alphabeticals, and numerical value. Everything including not more than 24. Okay. Basically, project special character used for the editing of the project.
Okay, so I can use only 24. So that is max. Can I use the less as well?
Yeah, less you can, but not more than 24.
24, okay.
Okay. So PL represent as, note down the full form. PL represent as the project length. Project length means initial identification number. This PL represent the project basic name as well. Starting name of the project you can represent with it.
Okay.
And SL represent as a structure of the length, structure length.
Okay.
Remaining all is entry tools.
Entry tools. Okay.
Entry tools is nothing but it is a combination of all alphabetic special characters and the alphanumeric values.
Okay.
And open OPS9. Sorry, OPSJ. Not in that. Open another page. Type OPSJ.
OPSJ.
Yeah.
Can you see my another screen?
No, I can't.
So every time I have to, because Team I'm using the first time.
No. Just share whenever you are sharing your screen. Select entire screen. Entire screen. There is a one tab entire screen. Select the entire screen.
Okay, hold on. So I go with share. So I'm going with more. How do I share now? I say stop sharing. Can you see now my SAP screen?
Yeah. So now write down OPSJ.
OPSJ.
Now, can you arrange it like we can see the both screen OPSK and OPSJ? Minimize, half minimize it. Go to the minimize page, half. Yeah. And the second one also. Arrange it, arrange the both screen. Take the cursor, shift it. Yeah. So you can see over here. So project ID here, it is taking project ID 2. Okay.
So can I say new entries?
Yeah, sure. So assign any name. You can take 5 also. You can take less than 5 also. So but my idea is take 5 letters. Take any 5 letters.
Okay.
And now I'm not going to suggest you anything. You knowing already the criteria. We have to use 24 letters. We can use the symbol mentioned over there. Not star, not plus. We can't use the star and plus. Whatever the symbol mentioned over here in the SP special character, we can use that only. On the place of alpha and numeric values, we can assign XX, and on the place of numerical value, we are going to assign 00. Now you have to prepare one coding mask. I'm not going to explain anything. Prepare yourself.
And for special character, what should I use? Like for alpha, I'm using XX. For
You can
numerical,
see SP. You can see SP values. SP. These
oh,
all
yes,
are
yes,
special
yes.
characters. These all are special characters. These special characters you can use.
So why do we use a special character for identifications? For some security, or what is the purpose of special character using for coding mask?
Suppose you want to define your coding mask by the name of year wise. So you need dot na or slash. You require
Oh,
that
okay,
na.
okay, 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 okay. I got it. Oh, I got it. So I can say 2 to 4 to 6. I need only 5, right?
Yes. Okay. Save it.
Okay. So
Use 5 letter. My suggestion is use 5 letter. Don't use 2 letters only. 2 letters is already there. Make some different project ID. 5 or 3 you
5.
can take. 5 or 3 you can take. 3, 4, 5, whatever.
Okay.
Not 2. 2 is already there now. So took some different.
Okay. Will this work?
So screen got stuck actually.
Oh.
Yeah, say no, I'm saying about the project ID. Project ID. First one,
Oh,
LS. You
project
can see.
ID. Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Coding mask, will this be working like 3? Here I'm going to use it 2, then 2 numbers, and then the year. I want to enter the year.
On the place of access, remember you can use alphanumerical. I mean alphabet. If you want, you can use also AB. You can put or 1 2. You can put also.
Oh, okay.
So suggest just take the idea in your mind. What kind of coding mask you want? What kind of identification name you want? And make the coding mask over there.
So XX I can use only for alpha, and 0 I can
You
use
can
only
use.
numbers.
You can use whatever you want. You can use.
Mm-hmm.
If you don't want the special characters, so you
Uh-huh.
no need to assign over there.
Okay. I think this is fine.
Assign any description like project ID for different in this project coding mask for this that project, whatever the project name, coding mask for this project. Assign coding mask for AVC project. Yeah, SOMG project you can assign.
Mm-hmm. Key for coding mask must be exactly 5 places long.
Why it is getting project ID? Just because in the PL you assign over there 5.
Oh, okay.
And when if you assign project length you mention over there 5 now, so that's why it is taking long. If you assign over there 2 or 3, so assign 3 only over there. PL make that 3 and save that 3, save it. This is the one TR. You know the concept of a TR, no? Yeah, you know that.
Yes,
Save
I
it.
know. So
now
I'm
try
going
to save it. Make 3 project ID length 3. Now save it. Go back, make it again. Go back completely. Go back. OPS 9. OPSJ. Sorry, OPSJ. Create again.
Mask must begin with letter /
Okay. We need a separator. I just forgot separator. You can use SP. You just we just forgot. Before access, just assign any separator dot / anything. So after project ID now we need a separator. I just
here.
forgot to explain. No. From X before X. Yeah.
Before X. Okay, what does that mean?
Any separator means after project ID na you need one separator to separate that project ID. Otherwise, how can we identify what is the project identification name and what is the number? So assign or that.
I did /xx.00.
Now save it. Yeah, save it. So this is the one project ID you created. Okay. One project coding mask you created. With the help of this project coding mask, you can create one project. So
I still don't understand why did I use the / over here. Why do we need to use here separator here? I'm using over here my ID, maybe ls dot 1000 or 100, something like that. What is the / is for? Or
so you will
separator?
get the idea. Okay, go to that previous page. Keep it that same. Keep it same. Don't change it. That page. Special character page.
Okay.
Go to CJ20N. Go to TT code CJ20N /n CJ20N. Yeah, CJ20N.
Okay.
CJ20N, not M.
N, okay.
N for Netherlands. Click on skip and write. Skip and write. Right. Go to the create project. You can see the symbol of turning page. You can see the symbol blank turning page. Just right of the click on that project. Assign the name ls0. Now here project ID is ls0. Okay. Why we need a separator? We need to separate the project ID and the coding mask. This is known as C. In the coding mask, you can see over there, coding mask is different thing and project ID is different thing. So to the separate from project ID to the coding mask, we need that. Okay.
Okay, so I can use here /
on the place of access, you put anything dot, you can put 100. Press enter. Description, you can assign anything. SMO. Go to the project profile. So here we didn't created any project profile, so we are taking sample project profile only. Take the sample, enter. Someone already worked on this server, I think. So select project scheduling profile. There is no project scheduling profile against that. Okay, so there is no value, no project scheduling profile is created. Press yes, press yes. So there is no we need to create. There is no configuration in that project profile as well. So we can't proceed. Okay, cancel it. Means we can use understand now why we need that separator and what is the use of
I got it. Yes, I got it. Yes, I thought that because usually, yes, I got the point. Thank you.
Okay, coming back, come to the point. So what we learn to create the special character, and we learn to make the coding mask. Okay, note it down.
Yeah, I already did. I'm much comfortable on my notebook than the Excel spreadsheet.
Yeah, use notebook.
Yes.
The way
And later on I will, yes. And later on I'm going to create my own like documents.
Okay, fine, sure. This is up to you. This is your call.
Okay.
Okay. Press /n and open one T code. OKO2. OKO2.
OKO2. OKO2.
Cancel it. Cancel it. Under the coding mask na, on your notepad, just note some point I'm explaining over there before doing that. So there are few characters available for the editing of coding mask. Note down. There are few characters are available for the editing of coding mask. Number 1, X. When you done na, let me know.
Okay, few characters available for coding mask, correct? For edit coding mask.
For editing of coding mask.
Yeah, sure. Which one?
X. X is basically used as an alphanumeric character. 0 is used for the numerical characters only. And that slash, it is used for the separator. It is used as a separator. And assign for the example, whatever the coding mask you created, write down that. E.Z. assign that coding mask.
Yes, I did it. Okay, so what do you want me to do now?
Okay, note it down. Note it down. Write just point 1 or note first. So coding mask is basically used to indicate the position of WBS element. Or you can write down, with the help of coding mask, we can identify the position of the WBS element. With the help of coding mask, we can identify the places of WBS element, the position of WBS element. Like the label, which WBS is belong to which WBS is belong to which level. We can easily identify with the help of coding mask. Okay. Now write down OK02.
OK02. Okay.
This is second. First, we learn a special character T code OPSK. Second, coding mask OPSJ, third user status OK02. This is third point.
User status.
OK02.
Okay.
Okay, open that on the server OK02. Now this is the status profile. Okay. So write down the point, third point, status profile in your notebook, and write down some points. There are two types of status profile. In the second screen.
Okay.
Rupal, in the second screen, open
Yes,
CJ20N. CJ20N. Open CJ20N. Go to the create project. Go to the basic data. Cancel it. Okay, select, go to the project profile.
Here.
Click. No, not project profile. Project profile. Go to the project profile column. So you selected now project. Come down, come down, come down. Z 4 times 01. You can see. No, no, not there, not there, not there. Go up, go up. Okay. In the control tab, you can see the project profile. Yeah. Select first one. Select first one.
It's not letting me use it. It says.
Select first one.
No, it's not, because it is gray. It's not letting me use it.
Okay. Press /N. /N. Close this tab. Close this tab. Close this page. Close this page. And open again CJ20N. Open again CJ20N. Okay. Cancel it. Go to cancel it. Go to the project, create project definition with the help of your coding mask, whatever the coding mask you remember, no? Assign the name. Assign the project definition name. / AB. AB.100. Yeah, SM.100. Enter. Press enter. Select scheduling profile. See there is any scheduling profile or not.
No.
Cancel it. Cancel it. Assign star. No, no, no. Don't do that. Don't do that. Cancel it. Cancel it. Create again. And on the place of scheduling profile now, assign star.
Okay. What happened? ls0/sm dot.
Assign star. Shift star. Enter. Press yes. Press yes. Okay, wait.
Oops. I already did. Sorry.
Okay, do again. Whatever the thing I want to show you now, I just want to show what I want to show now. That screen appears over there.
Okay.
So do again that things.
Oops.
Create project.
Yeah, it's just waiting. It's got hung. I can use another session.
Don't, is there any unnecessary page open there? Like any another software?
No, only
I
two
think your
other
system.
software. Because this
I
is
think.
not our server we purchased from India. So that's the
Okay.
reason.
So this is why it is slow.
There you go. That's why it is slow.
Everything is slow now as compared to USA in India.
Yeah. But I don't see like here. I don't see. Okay, let me close this. I have only two windows open.
Okay, no issue. Create that one.
I press enter.
Star.
Star. Okay.
Right click. Enter. Yeah. Okay, just don't do anything. Okay.
Okay.
You can see the status, system status and user status. The cursor, where your cursor is now, you can see the status
Yes, yes, the
tab.
system
And
status. Yes, user status. Correct.
so there are two types of status profile. Okay,
Haha.
so one is system status. So system status is what? System status is the SAP standard system status. SAP provides standard, okay, for the system. Like you created the project now, and when you release that project, it will show it project status, like system status will show released. When you create the project, the status will show created only. If you
Haha.
remember, you know that I will already explain you releasing process. So it will become
Okay.
from credit to released. If you know that,
Haha.
if you remember,
Yes, yes.
you remember
Yes.
when we released that project, the status got changed from created
Haha.
to released. So same
Correct.
when you made the plan, it will show planned. When you release the project, it will show. When you assign the budget, it will show the status will add over there budgeted. When you assign the settlement rule, then it will show settlement rule created. This kind of a status is predefined from the SAP side. That is a standard one.
Haha.
And for the user status, we have to create. And the usage of user status is optional. Understand? This is nothing but the status of the user, means the end user, they are using this software, they are producing day-to-day cycles. They want to release that status or they want to create according to their requirement, their need. You have to ask to the client what kind. First of all, you need to explain the procedure, the scenario of the user status, why we use user status, what is the requirement of the user status, and if they had any kind of requirement. Okay, then you have to create the user status. Now why we use user status? Like suppose we created one project. Okay, so you want some kind of validation, like if the user status is in created only, we can't, or someone can't assign the budget, or someone can't release the budget, or someone can't use that project for the project execution. So under the user status created, you can make this kind of rules. So
Okay.
once user have to release, change the user status, they have to go to the edit, then cost, then user status, and over there they need to change the user status from created to budget or created to anything else. Like they whatever the status they want to be, like if they want to name that a status 1, status 2, or ABC or XYZ, whatever the status they want. So they can proceed with that status. Suppose we created initial status or level 1 status, then level 2 status, then level 3 status. So in level 1 we can create the project only. In level 2 we can assign the budget and plan. In level 3 we can use the project requisition. In level 4 we can do the settlement. This kind of configuration we can made. This is, again I'm telling you, this is for your knowledge only. If you want to skip that part, you can skip.
Okay. No, I
This is
do not want to
not.
skip because this is, I have something I seen in internal order as well. There is something called status profile. In status profile also they created. So in created profile, maybe they are just doing the only planning data. So we assign only the transaction code for the planning. Then they go for the actual data. So maybe they are just that time I assign only actual transaction codes. So they can do only actual entries.
Rupal, again I'm saying,
Uh-huh.
there are server kind of validation, not under the user status. The requirement you are saying, na, you can make that requirement by the assigning the T code, validating like
Yes,
the
yes,
from the
yes, yes,
basis team.
correct.
Basis team, na, you if you want that kind of a restriction, na, you can provide the authority of the separate T codes only. Like someone
Okay.
have the T codes for the planning only, someone T codes have the for the budget only, and someone have the T code for the settlement only. So that kind of validation also we can do. This will
Mm-hmm.
be the additional work to you only if you are going to suggest to the client.
Mm-hmm.
For the knowledge purpose, here I am for the training only. Okay, here I am for the
Mm-hmm.
training. But when you are going to train the client now and you explain this kind of scenario in the real time when you are doing the project, so when you explain the scenario to the client now, they will raise more requirements, and that time that will become a very tough task for you.
Okay, okay,
So
got it.
be
Uh-huh.
clever, be wise. Whenever it is required, explain them only. Otherwise, during the implementation, if some part is not required, no need to explain.
Okay, okay, I
Otherwise, it
got
will
it.
be complicated for you also and to the client also.
Okay, I
First,
got it.
learn their business. If their business required this scenario, then suggest them. If they don't require this, don't use it.
Okay, sure.
Okay. So
Okay.
here for the training purpose, we are in the training phase. We are knowing the part. I'm explaining to you. This is my duty. This is my job. So I'm explaining
Uh-huh.
each and everything to you. But it's
Okay.
again, I'm saying it's totally up to you. It's your choice.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
for the reference, open any status profile. You can get the idea what is the configuration under them. And after that, we will create one status profile. See. This is in another language, in
Yeah,
German
this is
language.
in German language.
Close it. I can't understand
Okay,
German.
this one is in English.
So the project status, they created two user status, write plain line items and logged. Only two
Yes.
status is there.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So lower level is 1, highest level is 2, 3. This is nothing but the level of the project. So after that, which level comes? So like that, go back. Come down, come down, come down, come down. Come down, totally down. Come on the last page. Second PM. No, go up. You can see anywhere PM order status. Okay, open that PM order status profile. Okay, go back. Mhm. Okay, not an issue. Go to the create page. Go to the create page.
Mm-hmm.
Write down any name of the project. 4 digits or digits. Alphanumeric you will also take. Okay, text. Language, assign the language. Okay, now mm, 1 second. Go to that cursor. Mm, write down any name of the project's status, like created CRTD.
Here or here? Because
One
here I'm
second.
unable to write anything. I think I can write only numbers.
How many
Here
numbers?
I can write
Oh,
only 2.
CRTD. You can assign 3, 4 numbers. CRTD.
Here I cannot assign more than 2. I can assign only 2.
Okay. Assign first one. So this is the level of the project. Na? status I'm saying is an CRTD sortex created. One second. So start with the 10. Start with the 10. So start value 10 created. Enter, press enter.
Specify the lowest and highest status number.
Lowest status number assigned over there. You can see their cursor is 10. 10 assigned 10, 10. And highest 50. Highest 50.
Okay.
Highest 20. Yes. Okay. Highest 50. Enter. Okay. Keep 20 as well. Okay. Okay. No issue.
Okay.
No issue. Keep 20. Keep 20. Keep 20.
Oops, I did 50.
Okay. Go back. Go back. Go back. Again, start in the start column. Start in 20. 20. No, from start. We need to create one more status. One status completed. Okay. Second status. Go to second 20. What we make status? Execution. Make execution. EX. Yeah. Execution. Lowest 10. Lowest 10. Highest 20. Highest 20. Now save it. Save it. Press enter. Press enter. Save it. So basically two status we created. First one is created, second one is execution. According to your requirement, according to your client requirement, you can create this. Press yes. Asking no valid execution. So this user status for which you want to assign, like WPS element, also the user status is there. Okay. So project also it is there. Go down, select WBS and project profile. First select P, go to the P column. P. Alphabetical, go to the P. Find out where is project profile. Where is project profile? Find out. Come down.
Here is
Come
project
down.
role. There is no
project definition. You can see project definition or projects. Projects
yes.
or project definition. Select that. And select WBS. WBS. Yeah. Is there any WBS? Check where is WBS. Come down and select WBS. WBS element is there.
Yes.
WBS element. Select WBS. Okay. Now save it. Save it. So with the help of configuration, I'm explaining what is the uses of the project profile and what is the configuration we are doing. Uses also I'm explaining to you. Okay. Note each and every point. Okay. Now go back. Now go back. Note down. Always remember whatever the status profile you created now, all this configuration we are going to assign to the project profile. The final project profile we are going to create, and all this is this kind of configuration like a status profile. Whatever we did now, we are going to assign. So remember, whatever the configuration you created, you made, don't forget that. Okay.
Okay.
Now double click on created. Double click on created. See here, go to that turning page, blank page, sample. See, if there are lots of transactions in the created state, you can assign which transaction you want to forbid, which transaction you want as a warning, and which transaction you want to be allowed. There is no any kind of configurations. Okay, so you see assigning order approval, assigning PS tax, assigning orders. Come down, come down. This is all the business scenario. Budgeting is there, change WBS number, change RTBUs, change structure, budget release is there, budget return is there. So if created status is there, and so suppose budget release column you forbidden, select the forbid, select the forbid for the budget release. Budget release, see the budget release.
Yes.
If you select that forbid now, so during the edit phase, during the created state, till the time your user status is created, you can't release that budget. You can assign the budget, but you can't release. And if you select for the supplement also, that forbidden, so whenever till the project status for the user status is created, you can't do that supplement. So this kind of validation you can made with the help of your user status.
Okay.
Got the point? And if you want, so somehow now, if you explain to the customer, to the client, so this kind of configuration we can make now, so they will assign you some more points like the business transaction now, they will raise their requirements like we want to, there is no purchase requisition I think over here. So they will ask, like suppose if we can't, if you want change the user status now, we want to raise the purchase requisition. So in a standard purchase requisition, not in the column of business transaction. For that we need to raise the FS document. This is and become an enhancement. That is a gap analysis part that will become a rise up part. So we need to write the FS and we need to take the requirement to the ABAP team. And again that we need to make the enhancement or changes. So this is the extra work for us now. This will be extra work for us.
Correct, correct.
That's why I'm suggesting to you, if required, then explain this to the client. Otherwise, unnecessary your workload will increase.
Okay, sure.
Sure, understand
but this
that?
is good. Yes, but I have just one question here. What is this lowest point, and the highest point? What is this 10 and 20?
Lowest highest point means na like the created project na you created now one to user status over here. So lowest means when you create the project. So from the starting, what is the your starting status will be? What is your starting
10.
user status? How system know that what is your lowest user status and which is your highest low user status? So 20 execution is your highest low user status, and this one is the lowest execution status.
Okay.
So this is used. This symbol is used like that. This is nothing.
Okay. Like if I have here, I'm going by 5 steps, then it's going to be 10 to 50. My highest position point is 50. When I'm going to the next one, in executions, maybe I'm using only lowest is 10, highest is 20. And then I'm here, I have 30, so I can use here 20 to 30. So my lowest is 20 and highest is 30, correct?
Yes, it is like that.
Okay, I got it. Okay, and position is 1, priority is 1. Okay, I got it. Okay.
Okay, press /n. Save it first. Okay, wait 1 second. You done selected over there anything, na? Like forbid and all?
Yeah, you said the forbid. So we selected forbid for budgeting.
Don't use that now. That is unnecessary. Always whenever we are doing testing now, we have to release the status. So just unselect that. Again click that one. Yeah, don't no efficient, no influence. Save it. Yeah, save it. Okay. So is it enough for us today, or we can proceed next?
Yeah, sure. That's fine for today.
So if you want, I can proceed 1 hour more. It's up to you. But from my end, just do practice. Do practice on the
yeah, that's right. Yeah, so just leave it for today, so I can do practice, and I can come up with more questions.
And Rupal. So whenever you got any things, any kind of complication from my end, any issue, any problem from the voice or from the explanation of the things, please let me know. I will make that easier.
Yeah, sure. Sure, definitely. Thank you.
And I hope till now you are getting each and everything clearly from my end.
Yeah, sure. Yes, I am.
Okay, fine.
I'm very
Fine.
happy, like
Thanks.
so far, like whatever you're explaining.
Mhm. Yes.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much, Nikhil.
No, I didn't hear you. What are you saying?
I'm saying that so far, whatever you explain me, I am happy with that. Thank you.